How is Welsh Government supporting the foundational economy in Wales? The foundational economy approach is already making a real difference in Wales through targeted investment, better public services and stronger support for local suppliers. The Welsh Government is committed to using public spending to back Welsh firms, helping to sustain thriving local industries and good jobs. We're supporting businesses to build the skills, accreditations and confidence they need to supply the public sector, while making procurement simpler and encouraging innovation and collaboration. From training workers to strengthening local food systems, this approach is helping Wales grow more resilient, fairer and more sustainable. For more information, please visit gov.wales/foundational-economy.